Look at this, a fully customizable second taskbar sitting right on my Windows 11 screen. A CPU uses RAM stats, clipboard history, media player, all one click away without opening a single app. This is Command Palette Dock powered by Microsoft PowerToys. And this is what Windows 11 taskbar should have been from day one. And of course, this is first iteration. We are excited to see what comes next as it evolves. And it's not like you can only keep it on the top. If we go here in setting, we can change its position to left, right, or even bottom. It's totally up to you. You can also change its theme by selecting light or dark, or you can even keep its system setting. There are more customization there, which in this video I will show you exactly how you can download, install and set up this dock from scratch, step by step, and by the end you will have setup that looks and work like this. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so let's see how we can download and install PowerToys. Well, there are three ways to get it. The first one from Microsoft Store, second one from GitHub, and third, you can simply type winget and install Microsoft.PowerToys. You can get it through command line. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about the easiest one. But if you want to go through another one, I'm gonna provide the link in the description of this video. So let's simply press the Windows button, and now I'm gonna type store, and let's go to Microsoft Store. Now on the top, I'm gonna write PowerToys. And there you go, Microsoft PowerToys. Let's click on install, and we can see the process of download and installation already have begun. And there you go, we have successfully installed it. Now we can close Microsoft Store. Now again, let's click on Windows button and look for PowerToys. And there you go, let's click on it. And now you're gonna see, you may get overwhelmed by seeing it for the first time because there are so many customization now Microsoft PowerToys offers. Well, in this video, we're only going to focus on Windows Dock. Now here, what I'm gonna do is I am going to click on Command Palette, and then here, let's click on Settings. Now here, if you see on the left hand side, there is a dock preview. Let's click on it and click on Enable. Now as soon as you click on enable, you're gonna see a one additional dock is being added on the top. Let's say you do not like this position, you can here set it on your right hand side, left hand side, bottom, depending on where you would like to keep it. If I talk about the past, Microsoft had gadgets on Windows 7 in our right hand side. So if we want, we can keep it toward right hand side as well. That's totally depend on us. Now in case of visual appeal, we have got these two options. First one is translucent or acrylic. Second is transparent, which right now kind of, make everything inside dock barely visible. So I'm gonna go with acrylic for the time being. And then here we have option to go with custom color as well, which further overlay over the visual material. In case you have many items, in such scenario, it is better to keep dock either on the top or in bottom. Since there is already taskbar in bottom, it would be better to place dock on the top. Now let's close this. Now let's further customize it. For that, I'm gonna make a right click on it, and then let's click on edit dock. So here now you can add more things like the way we do in taskbar. As you can see here, it says to pin command, extension or app, use pin to dock command in command palette. So you can simply go here in command palette and type pin to dock in command palette. Now you need to simply search for the app that you'd like to pin it. For example, I'm gonna say MS Paint. Now when you make a right click on it, you're gonna see this option. So I'm gonna say pin to dock, and here we can see Microsoft Paint is now available on the top in the dock. Let's again go back here and click on edit dock, and you will realize that the dock is divided into three different regions, which is start, center and end, which is, I would say, like your taskbar, where you can organize item either on the left, middle or right. Now let me also add few more nice thing to have in this dock. For example, again I'm gonna go in command palette and I will look for, let's say, clipboard history, and let's pin this to dock. Next I'm gonna add here is, let's say, a media player. Alright, now you can also simply drag and drop to, adjust them wherever you want. And not only in a particular area, but of course you can switch the area as well, like this. And that's it. Your Windows 11 now have second taskbar. It's more useful than the original one. Well, I'm just joking. That is as useful as your original one. The Command Palette Dock in Microsoft PowerToys is honestly one of the best free upgrade you can make to your Windows experience right now. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want, make sure you subscribe for more such Windows related productivity video. And I will catch you soon with another one. Till then, you take care and bye bye.